So now let's see how we can insert video from YouTube in Google Slides. So in order to do that, I'm going to go into insert right here and then I'm going to click on video. So once I do that, you can see that I have two options. I can search directly in YouTube or I can insert a URL right here. So let's go ahead and insert a URL first. So to do that, I've already opened up a tab with a YouTube video for my Google Docs tutorial. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around and then hit the share button right here. Once I do that, you can see that I actually have this. I actually have the link right here, which I can copy. And then I can go back onto Google Slides right here. And then in URL section, I can simply hit paste. So I'm just going to hit paste right here, just like this. So once I do that, you can see right here that the Google Docs tutorial is here. So I can select this out. And what will happen is that it inserts the specific video for us. So now what else I can do is I can click on insert and then I can go and choose video. So once I do that, I can go around into search and directly search for a YouTube video as well. So I can simply type in TutorTube and I can type in Google Docs just like this. And once I do that, what happens is that it comes up, the Google Docs tutorials just comes up just like that, as you can see. So I can select this out and select that out over there. So once I do that, you can see that Google Docs tutorial has been inserted. And over here on the right side, you have options to work around with different video formats. And that is how you can insert YouTube videos inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.